which has arisen from the complaint made by them. We are also investigating this angle.
That creates more suspicion. That creates more suspicion.
But only the other thing, my lord, it has been stated that the my lord, just 24 hours before the death, my lord, the injury happened, my lord. Before 24 hours before the death, he was not in the police custody.
He was in police custody.
No, it is contrary to the case made out in the report.
24 to 48, nobody can fix the time, sir.
Just the
If you go
second postmortem report says so, my lord.
if your second postmortem, you have got the report with you only. Huh?
Postmortem is that page, my lord, 107. And the queries, the second postmortem.
No, leave the queries. Come to, you have got a copy. Come to page 172 of your, this is what you were. P3, yeah. Injuries.
Yes. That I have seen.
No, the thing is that this supported the zone of injury committed is very prone for the police authorities to inflict. Huh? You believe that or no? You tell me. Huh? Let this go to CID, DIG CID. আর কিছু পারবে না, লোকাল পুলিশ পারবে না। They are under pressure. Huh? Huh? Where is the assistant commissioner over there? কোথায়?
In Bengal police.
আর সাথে কোথায়? পুরুলিয়া কোথা থেকে assistant commissioner পাওয়া যায়?
Not by the district police. My submission is this. Kindly form a seat. Because they
Let the DIG CID form from the homicide CID one team. I will consider this after 1 month. What they have done.
After the report given by the
CID.
that may be kept open for the forming a special investigation.
That's why.
Whatever has come from
this doctor should be under scandal.
Kindly marks that no, because he says that decomposed word is used where there is no
Decompose. I'm not bothered. No injuries have been found.
He says natural death.
That his report also says I'm waiting for the report of the the doctor did not dissect that portion where the injury has been found by X. It can be said that he did not look into that, but it is not that he looked
For
into
postmortem, sir, how will a criminal court proceed, sir, if doctors behave like this?
you going into the aspect that second report is on record. The trial court will definitely consider both records.
No,
Both reports.
very good. That is a separate issue totally. Now you've got to appreciate one fact over here, that had that postmortem report been accepted, suppose we accept, why did you register her case under 103? What is your answer to that?
That was a mistake.
Anyhow, now the injury entails the benefit of the prosecution. Now, to establish a prosecution case, even if there is an injury, which may not have ultimately lead to the cause of death, it entails the benefit of the prosecution. So, my lord, in my humble submission, there has been no change in circumstances. Apart from
And a change in circumstances, he could not see, that is why he could not eat. Huh?
What is saying?
You understand? Huh? Let them go, sir. I have got nothing issue. These are local issues. Until and unless persons from outside the district go and investigate the case, the real picture will not surface. I'm not changing it statewide, state to central. I'm not violating the constitutional mandate, sir. What I'm doing is that I'm giving it to the DIG CID. He'll constitute a team from the homicide department of the CID from Bhabani Babu, not from the local DD.
And one more thing, my lord, the role of the doctor should be also under scanner in terms of old code 201 for disappearance of evidence. Your lordship can see this. My lord, what kind of
Yes, I-
postmortem is this?
এটাই disappear.
Most probably, my lord, different body altogether has been sent for postmortem.
That I
He
can.
says everything is decomposed.
The thing is, the same body was sent to the others.
Subsequently,
There is a difference
and
between
that only pursuant to your lordship's direction.
that. There is a
And your
difference
lordship said that the magistrate will
Competence.
identify the body.
incompetent. There is a difference between incompetence and culpability.
Though not only that, my lord, your lordship can remember when first half your lordship heard the matter, second half the clarification was given by the doctor. Within my lord, the 1 hour, a clarification report was given the doctor standing the earlier version. Your lordship can remember that also.
Police officials role have to be investigated. It's civic already by the DIG.
You have registered a case under section 103. Mr. Dotto, just show me how many statements supports your murder theory. Yes, I'm giving the whole case diary to you. You have started the investigation on 21st of July. Show me how many statements except that of the complainant supports your murder theory.
Complainant and his family. But apart from that, nowhere, no other person were with the deceased for the last few hours.
May not be last few hours. The process starts according to the allegations from basically 18th.
16th or 18th.
My lord, 17th, my lord, he returned from the police station.
Yes.
18th, my lord, he was taken to the hospital and my lord declared it.
16th.
16th, initially the incident happened.
Then 17 left.
So 16th he was at the police station for
17th left.
No, no, 16.
Yes.
16 left.
No,
Ah.
17.
Whatever the
না, না,
দেখুন পুলিশ ওখানে দেখুন লোকালকে দিয়ে হবে না এখান থেকে বাইরে দিকে না গেলে
My lord is much more experienced than us. Your lordship knows the entire scenario exactly.
থেকে না
What's
গেলে
happened?
হবে না কেননা they are in a fixed set of mind actually. They cannot come out of whatever they have heard, and once you hear it from the experts na doctors and all, you cannot come out of that, sir. You cannot independently think of any other options which can click. চলে আসুন না এটা না মেজরিটি করা আছে বুঝলেন তো? হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু এখানে কয়েক জায়গায় এই করতে হবে সেই জায়গাগুলো আমি করে দিচ্ছি ওইটুকু খালি করে নাও মেজরিটি করা আছে হ্যাঁ বাদ এই মার্ক করতে বললাম কোন কোন জায়গাগুলো বাদ আছে ওইটুকু নাও এখানে পেজ 1 এই জায়গাটা একটু এরাই বলছি এতটা টোকা যাবে না আমি ছোট করে দিচ্ছি হ্যাঁ এখানটা দেখো the state in order to station narrates the state of events which the police authority projected before the court small I করে দাও on 15/7/2025 one Shankar Bhagwan Mahato lodged a complaint before the police personnel of Arsha police station alleging that his mobile phone was missing near Arsha Shiv Mandir, and subsequently he came to learn that one Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar kept the phone in question in his custody. Also, on receipt of such application, Arsha PS Part Roman 4 number 221/25 on receipt of such application was registered and ASI Modhu Mongol Bauri was endorsed to inquire in the matter. Yellow. Bishnu alias Vishnu Kumar visited Arsha police station at about 15:40 hours. Full stop. On 16/7/2025, Shankar Bhagavan Mahato also turned up at the police station along with his elder brother, and on that occasion, Vishnu returned the mobile phone to Shankar Bhagavan and his associate at the police station. Full stop. Thereafter, Shankar Bhagavan and Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar, along with others, left the police station premises, and the issue was amicably settled between both the parties. To that effect, uninterrupted 8 CCTV footage is available at the police station. Small Roman 2. On 27 Purishat 2020 at 1:45 hours, the police station received an information from GDMO of Sirkabad BPHC to the effect that say aide Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar was brought dead at the said BPHC, and consequently UD case wide Arsha PS UD case number 20/2025 dated 20 Purishat 27/2025 was initiated. Inquest was done. Inquest was done at the BPHC, and thereafter the body was shifted to Deben Mahato Government Medical College and Hospital, Hatuara, Purulia, for holding postmortem. Full stop. Videography EA process was followed during the inquest as well as when the postmortem examination was conducted. Full stop. In the postmortem report, the autopsy surgeon opined, inverted in Mode, death was due to the effects of diseased condition of organs, as noted above, a natural cause. এখানে পেয়ে যাবে, হ্যাঁ, রিপোর্টে পেয়ে যাবে, বড় বড় করে লেখা আছে। Full stop. Abar inverted, no external or internal injuries detected on careful dissection and examination with the help of magnifying hand lens. Full stop. No foreign body detected. Acha. The allegation labeled by the petitioner of assault as such are imaginary, motivated, manufactured, and baseless. আমাদের দিয়ে লিখে দেবে। Full stop. Next. আচ্ছা, the বাকি দরকার নেই। নেক্সট চলে এসো 3 নম্বর। A mail was received at the office of the superintendent of police Purulia, as also Arsha police station, in connection with the day 8th of Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar. Full stop. In the said mail, it was reflected that complainant named Shaman Kumar complained that his brother Vishnu has been murdered by a civic volunteer. Full stop. On the basis of the complaint, Arsha PS initiated a case, being Arsha PS case number 121/25 dated 21/7/2025 under section 103(1) BNS. Achha. As the complaint was submitted electronically, the procedure under section 173(1) তারপরে ব্র্যাকেটে 1 আর ব্র্যাকেটে II of BNSS was followed. and the complainant received the same. Full stop. The next paragraph হচ্ছে ওই next এটা ওই 4 হবে না 4 the police authorities denied that Vishnu alias Vishnu Kumar was beaten and assaulted by police to death, and the allegation brought against the police authorities in the paragraph are not based on fact, which is substantiated by the report of the autopsy surgeon of ওই autopsy surgeon বুঝটা এইটুকুই খালি দিয়ে দাও বুঝতে পারছো তো হ্যাঁ এই বেশি আর দেওয়ার দরকার নেই এবার এই পর্যন্ত করা আছে এই জায়গাটা নেক্সট উঠবে বুঝতে পারছো তো মার্ক করা চলবে পেন দিয়ে হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা I have taken into account the difference of the difference of observations made in the first postmortem prepared ওই by the autopsy surgeon of ওই দেবেন মাহাতো যা লেখা আছে গভর্নমেন্ট হসপিটাল কি আশা পুরুলিয়া নাকি লিখে দেবে as also by the board এটা দিয়ে দিলাম ঠিক আছে দরকার নেই no it's over here as also by the board of doctors of All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS Kalyani. The emphasis is of the report which was submitted before this court along with the case diary was that there were no external injuries on the person of the deceased, which is diametrically opposite to the observations made or the observations of the doctors who conducted a second postmortem on the body of the deceased. Full stop. I have also taken into account the manner in which the investigation of the case has been progressing and the reports which have been submitted, which are basically at this stage denying the possibility of any offense having been committed. Full stop. This itself is very dangerous. In fact, when an investigation is in progress and the police authorities are acting in a fixed set of mind without having kept options open. Full stop. Needless to state that an investigation is a quest for unearthing the truth. As such, the police authority are bound to collect materials and not to have a judgmental approach while investigating a case. Considering that considering the approach of the investigating authorities as well as the drastic difference of opinion between the first postmortem and the second postmortem, which was pursuant to the directions passed by the court. And in order to instill public confidence, so far as investigation of a case is concerned, I'm of the view that the investigation of Arsha PS case number 121/25 dated 21/7/2025 be transferred to the DIG CIDE West Bengal, Bhavani Bhavan, West Bengal. The DIG CID will constitute a team of his own from the regular from the homicide department. Full stop. A progress report be submit. The investigating officer is directed to hand over all the materials within 3 days from date to the DIG EECID.
Here, my lord, kindly see para 12, the CCTV footage of the, my lord, the police station. That should be, my lord, also.
For the investigating authority. That is for the investigating
And the
agency.
hospital CCTV footage. This is.
Whatever is it, those are there already. First day I've said. আচ্ছা কি বললাম? West Bengal. আচ্ছা, the DIG CID West Bengal will prepare a separate case diary and place both the case diaries before this court. আজকে কত তারিখ? 19 তারিখ. On 19 September 2025, when the read petition will appear under the heading to be mentioned. Huh? Body who cremated, they or you? Body you go for cremation, sir?
I think it has been cremated. Last occasion.
They have to take it. They have only sent a mail that you can hand over. Apart from sending a mail, they have done nothing.
So you can reply on that mail. You please can take over the body.
Acha, you go and take back.
Not she will do it.
Okay. Petitioner being the elder brother of the deceased.
Permitted to take up the body for cremation.
Where is it kept? Devin Mahatma Hospital. Where is hospital? নামটা দিয়ে দেবে. Who will he approach, sir? Huh? আর আমার কাছে যায়.
Lord, I have been instructed. Lord, we Lord prayed for the body for cremation, but the police was not allowing.
And that is apart from sending a
Lord,
mail, they
Lord, don't go to any controversy. Kindly record that. If
With whom? You কার কাছে যাবে? আয়ো কাছে যাবে.
we'll approach the super.
HOD of that.
সুপার অনেক দূরে থাকে.
HOD of that.
You stay at Arsha. Super is at Purulia.
HOD FMD department of that.
না ওই বলে আমি একে দায়িত্ব দিয়ে দিয়েছি. Arsha is within which court? Go to the court. Involve the court over there. That will solve the problem.
Magistrate.
Am I right?
Yes, yes.
CJ Purile. He is already involved. He knows about the incident.
CJM or any other.
No, CJ will make an application. And he will implement this for handing over of the body. That will be a CJM's duty, not possible for the High Court to do. How in ground reality things would take place. আধেক লোক ছুটিতে থাকে কেউ হাসপাতালে? কি বললাম? Will make an application for return of the body of the deceased before the learned CJM Purulia. In the case is also over there in connection with it. Arsha is case number 121/25. The learned CJM will immediately pass directions so that the body is handed over to the brother of the petitioner for the last rites. Brother of the deceased. So that একটু দেখে নেবে. হ্যাঁ, for the নাম কি petition handed over to the for the last rites বা for cremation করে দেবে বা দেখে করে দেবে. চল, আর ডেটটা লাস্টে দিয়ে দেবে, বুঝতে পারলে তো? টু বি মেনশন সেপ্টেম্বর 9. বলো কি?
What is there? What is there?
Sir, your reports you see.
Opposite to
No, see what happens is that when you try to,
there is a difference. I agree, there is a difference.
question is difference at the doctor level. Leave the doctors now. What report you have prepared? See the report. The theory means theory is changing totally. You said that this cannot be because there were no injuries. This is your report. Where from I will be? You see over here, your reports I'm relying upon. You say this is ruled out. So I have got to make the observations totally. So,
Simply honest.
sure.
Lordship, other matters. Forward.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আর কিছু হবে না আজকে
Well, 26. Not much time.
no there is a hearing matter already
Well, at 26, well, there was, well, I have an eviction order in my paper
or
portal.
where the private respondents are there.
Well, I have filed a-
If your lordship permit, my lord, I will intervene because my lord, already appeal is pending against the eviction order before the
I
district
will
judge.
show that, well, there is no interim order. These
Before
there.
the district judge. If they obtain the order, my lord, before puja, we are the laborers, poor laborers, we will go.
এই হচ্ছে-
Presented on last occasion, Miley kindly
what are you wanting now?
Kindly give us, kindly adjourn for fortnight, I will. Kindly adjourn because appeal is pending, my lord.
interim order.
Arey, what are you wanting to do?
Kindly adjourn for fortnight, my lord. I will.
Only adjournment. You want to use an affidavit?
Yes, sir, I will. Definitely.
Well,
Kindly.
may I
Appeal
just kindly have a look 2 pages of the supplementary affidavit, well.
এটা নিয়ে নাও ফাইলগুলো নিয়ে নাও গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাবে এবার সব
Well, kindly,
which matter is it?
26, my lord.
well, there is,
Party and used as an affidavit to the next.
well, there is no interim order, there is no impediment
but they-
whatsoever. I don't know why state is supporting him. What is the vested interest?
But they know,
Who is appearing for the state?
Well, Lordship,
they know.
the last order, Lordship sees the last order. The order was not passed. on the
আনন্দীকে
submission.
ডাকো আনন্দীকে ডাকো
Won't admit the.
Order
But
was-
kindly see when the appeal is pending, if they take the position, appeal will become infructuous.
learned advocate is in
Lordship seen that? Now, well, kindly have a look at the supplementary affidavit. Well, just
you were supposed to
2
you-
pages, well,
you were
Lordship.
supposed to produce the certified copies.
Here, we have supplementary affidavit.
So give it to him, sir. You were supposed to.
Copy the acta.
Yes. Well, there is no
Just
interim
not
order.
their supply.
Well, kindly come to Malad straight away.
No orders.
20
না কেন এরকম করছিস?
I'm keeping after 2 weeks. Let him come with a supplementary affidavit. কোর্টের মামলা তো বছর বছর ধরে
We, Malad, I tell you, Lordship, police were there when possession was taken.
ওটা বলিস না।
And Malad, they are after police.
affidavit filed on behalf of the petitioner be kept with the record. A copy of the same be handed over to the you are for the respondent number.
He is not a respondent, he is not even a party.
The last day private respondent is
We are the anybody did made us part. Anybody that they did not made us.
Why should I find him a party?
Because they know not we are there, Malad. We are
But private respondent in the earlier occasion appeared. Somebody appeared.
somebody appeared over
He
here.
was there. I have seen him.
Malad,
Possibly because of
he
the
was
fact
there,
that
he
the
was
time
not a
was
party respondent.
Who is Mr. Dipranjan Mukhopadhyay?
Yes, he was there. I have seen him.
So the
Ranjan Mukhopadhyay today is not here, somebody.
No, he was there. He was
He is
waiting for
appearing.
I've seen him.
Malad, I will tell your lordship, there is
no this way people cannot be evicted, sir.
Malad, I am not saying that, but Malad, I tell your lordship, there was a stay order passed with a condition was not fulfilled, and there is admittedly there is no stay order. Malad, lordship sees, Malad, what is remaining in there, Malad? Now my machineries will be stolen in the meantime.
What machineries?
Malad, there is a machinery, Malad, bolte na bhai amar. Malad, there is a machinery in the premises. Now, Malad, if the machinery has, Malad, now a process of theft is going on. Now, Malad, if this going on, Malad, I will be remediless. I have a claim of 4 crore.
Sir, you have come before this court only by making police a party. I will dismiss this writ petition. You go first, make a proper writ petition. You try to. Yes, you try. Why? No affected party is there. You make a. Since I don't raise voice, you think that I don't. Well, the consequences. You come to a writ petition. You or your grievances against these persons?
No, against the police.
Against the police authorities. Police authorities
But
only.
under the statute,
Police authorities, what is the stand of the police authorities?
The simple thing is that there is a occupier are there, Millard. We cannot Millard evict them. Go and There is a law and order
Section
situation
five.
can be occurred at any point of time. There are thousands of people over there.
Since when they are in possession?
Have a look at section 5. Malad,
Yes, law.
they are acting.
Yes, law. I have
They are
acted.
acting beyond a statute. Malad, can you have a look at section 5? There is Malad, there is an order provision by which Malad, I am not.
You are, sir. Huh. Acha, where is your order that they have, you have declared them unauthorized occupants?
Eviction order passed.
Where?
Yes, yes, Malad. Malad, I tell your lordship, Malad, I am not saying, Malad, I don't have right, Malad, I have seen. Malad, kind come to page 23. Is the order of eviction passed against them. Now, Malad, lordship sees
Now you 23.
23 and 37.
At 23 and 37 and the appeal court's order, now you are placing not a part of the.
Appeal court order, there is no stay. Malad, kindly also have a look. Malad,
Where have you where have you referred to the appeal proceedings over here in the
kindly
report?
come to page 71. Kindly come to page 71. Malad, status সঙ্গে হাত মিলিয়ে আছে তো, বুঝতে পারছি। Kindly come to page 71. Malad, section 5, there is an order passed.
Your order has been passed by the estate officer.
Two stages are there. There is an order of eviction. Now there is an order passed by the estate officer for eviction. So when in terms of the order, Malad, kindly have to page 71. Malad, being empowered under section 5 of the public page 71, Malad, Public Premises Act, date with such and such rules frame thereafter, you are hereby authorized to evict such and such from the premises. Now, Malad, in terms of the eviction order and execution order passed by this under this statute, section 5, police were there supporting me to evict this. Malad, the process was going on. After when the process in midway, they had suddenly left.
I'm holding for sir.
Malad, kindly come to.
Have you, sir? I'm not a student that I'll learn lecture from you, huh?
Malad,
How big you are? I'm telling you. I asked you a question that have you referred to your petition regarding an appeal pending before the court?
Because there was no necessity, because there is no
You
stay order.
decide that, sir.
There is no stay order. Malad, kindly have a look. Malad, two page of supplementary evidence. 2 pages of supplementary. Yes, I never suppressed anything before by court. Kindly have a order. Malad, supplementary evidence, page 25. Page 25. Malad, kindly come to page. Bhai, এরকম মাঝে মাঝে বিরক্ত করছো কেন? Page 25, lordships come to the supplementary evidence. Malad, the ordering portion, lordship sees. The stay application is allowed for a period of 15 days only, granting a chance to pay 50% of the award
The appeal is pending.
to the tune of rupees such and such. Lordship seen that? Now, Malad, lordships now kindly come to Malad, why I say this, page 28. Now, Malad, they have not paid this. Malad, sees বলতে দাও না এরকম ভাবে irritate করো তারপর the page 28, the record is taken up for passing on the order of such and such. By filing the petition, appellant prayed for modification of the order dated such and such on the ground. Amount ordered by the said order was huge one, and the respondent is legally trying to enforce the decree. Council representative agreed to oppose. It appears from the record that the order.
চলো নিয়ে এসে ফান্সপুর
So, Malad,
Only one pen.
Malad,
Only one.
learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, being the being the working for gain, being an individual working for gain at Board of Majority E Port Authority E for the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port Kolkata, has taken out an application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, praying for the following reliefs. প্রেয়ারটাকে পুরো এ থেকে যা আছে দিয়ে দেবে, হ্যাঁ যা দিয়েছে দিয়ে দেবে, following reliefs. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner emphasized on the order on the communication of the estate order, on the communication of the estate officer to the authorized officer, being the petitioner, under Section 5 of the Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupant Act 1971, read with Rule 7(2) of the rules aimed under the said Act to evict Messrs. Surajmal Baijnath of 138 Biplobi Dash Bihari Basu Road, Kolkata 1, and also at 304 Jasmine Tower, 31 Shakespeare Sarni, Kolkata 17. Full stop. The unauthorized occupant or any other unauthorized occupant occupying the public premises fully described in the schedule and take possession of the public premises as mentioned in the schedule. If full stop, if the public premises is locked, it was informed that either either the same be sealed or in presence of two witnesses, the locks be opened or any door, gate or other barrier be opened and the premises is be entered into. Full stop. There was a reiteration of the same communication.
No, there is
On
no
the-
reiteration. There are two places. That is why two orders were passed. No?
No, but 138 and 300.
There are two eviction orders. Well, I showed that one.
Another order number 36 dated 23/6/2025 was passed in the same tune for the premises being 138 Biplobi Dash Bihari Basu Road, Kolkata 1, and also at 304 Jasmine Tower, 31 Shakespeare Sarni, Kolkata 17. Full stop. Learned advocate A8 for the state is present and and has submitted that since there are occupants at the premises who are there for a considerable period of time, uh, law and order problem. What are you saying? And that is their there would be law and order crisis in case the number of persons who are occupying are evicted with force. The learned advocate appearing, although the private although the occupants were not made a party, Mr. Mukherjee appearing on behalf appears and submits that an appeal was preferred.
And for 10 December 2025 is the next date fixed for hearing of that.
কি বললাম? An appeal was preferred where initially stay was granted. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner has filed a supplementary affidavit including the order of MISAPI IL number 88 of 2021. Acha, the supplementary affidavit in fact although there was no averment regarding the misappeal pending in the main writ petition, but the contention of the occupants that a misappeal is occupants that a misappeal is pending. That is for not me to decide. Misappeal is pending is confirmed. Initially, there was a stay. Acha, learned advocate A8 for the petitioner submit since the petitioner thought it irrelevant to point out and bring it to the notice of the court. Such contention was not advanced or incorporated in the petition, as the initial order of stay was non-existent. because there was non-compliance of the conditions imposed in the order dated 18/2/2022. अच्छा, records reflect that the Miss Appeal 88 of 2021 is still pending in spite of no interim order being there. Since an appeal is pending, it would be, and therefore an alternative remedy being available. I am of the view that the writ petition at this stage is not maintainable. Accordingly, WPA number 17141 of 2025 is dismissed.
But I am grateful, my lord. I am tendering apology, my lord, if I have raised my.
Oh, no, nothing.
Kindly, my lord. My lord,
You could have earned more fees. I would have.
No, ma'am.
Which one? Do it tomorrow, sir. I have got another hearing matter. I will take. Please come tomorrow. Rest of the only one hearing matter is there. That will. Tomorrow after 3:30.
As your lordship kept it, so I had to, I waited for it. Nothing.
Huh? No, no. Go slowly now. You have picked up age, Mr. Singh. You have picked up age. Go slow. Go slow now. You have picked up age. 5 minutes. I'm coming back. তুমি ওটা করে নাও। আর
Number 27.
রাখি আছে তো, হ্যাঁ রাখি, 5 মিনিট, 5টা তুমি চলে যাও। রিটেন নোটস অফ আর্গুমেন্ট গুলো দিই। ইয়েস, গিভ ইউর রিটেন নোটস অফ আর্গুমেন্ট। আরে এগুলো লাগবে না, ওনার রিটেন নোটসটা দাও। You have you given copies to them?
Sir, as per our written notes is concerned, my lord, we require, my lord, 1 week time, my lord.
Are you going to submit anything? Apart from written notes, are you going to submit orally anything? Just yes.
The previous day, certified copies are not given, the injury reports, but today I have given the one question was there in the previous. How died? If we see the final report of PIT CID, sir, there is an indication, sir.
There is
An indication.
page number. Page
The last page.
last page.
Page before one. Put the page of the last page.
Yes.
Paragraph before the last paragraph.
This one from the back side of the deceased Robin Ghosh. The probability. Anyway. Finally. Yes. Any other point?
From the very beginning, we have seen that they have suppressed everything. Very beginning, they have suppressed the name of the writer. They have suppressed the actual incident. They have suppressed the PO. They have suppressed the original incident. And again, they suppressed everything. Therefore, you cannot expect that they will come in light, that they will, actual thing they will come in light. The actual thing which came in light in case number 23 and case number 24, charge sheet was submitted, and the actual thing what happened, it was clear there, but those cases were withdrawn. Legal matters, legal arguments I have given, sir. Next, I am saying, sir, for you, the 15 years a criminal case is pending upon my head, but I don't know what was my fault. I tried to save the innocent people. I tried to do my duty properly. Was it my fault? I don't know. Unless require, I appeal for my lordship free me from this case, because sir, if any criminal case will hang upon any head of anybody, everything goes away. Social status, the job status, everything. Without any fault, I am suffering 15 years. What was my fault? I don't know, my lord. This is my submission. This is my last submission.
All right. Mr. Shamantu, you will file written notes. No, that is up to you. I will not insist. So how much time do you require? Mr.
2 week is granted. If 2 week is granted, we are asking for 2 week.
No, but then you will then no oral submission. Mr. Bandyopadhyay is going to make
Yes.
oral submissions.
Or written notes of argument will file.
Written notes. So when are you going to file?
My lord, I'm praying for 10 days time, subject to the lordship convenience.
19.
If lordship,
Today on 19, complete this by this month so that I can deliver the judgment actually. Obviously. No, things are added. There's a special bench judgment I've got to deliver. Things are multiplying. You see, no, things are multiplying. You can't have all this. ঠিক আছে?
immediate, subject to lordship, my lord, convenience.
You will not keep any more verbal rebuttal.
No.
Very good. Chalo, A. The respondent number 10 appearing in person submits his written notes of argument. Let the same be kept with the record. Learned advocate A8 for the petitioner and the state intend to file the written notes of argument. Let the same be filed on 28th of August. I'm keeping on 20.
Only 5 minutes may kindly be kept for, my lord, the verbal rebuttal, subject to, my lord, because Mr. Banerjee is not in Calcutta. My lord, mostly, my lord, because the parliament is going on, all this difficulty. We just consult him. In the event, my lord, he is
So if
no,
he is
no.
wanting to keep a verbal, see, I will not stop anybody. This is continuing from 2013.
Yes,
For me, 1 week or 2 weeks hardly matters.
lords.
If any of you intend to keep verbal submission, see, they have completed. You have a right to reply, no more from their side.
For reply, a turn is for us, my lord.
That's why I'm
That is
asking
why,
you
my lord,
to tell me.
I may be allowed, my lord, to take his instruction whether he is interested, my lord, to make further submission.
When his parliament is completing.
My lord, 21st. 29 is okay, my lord. 29 is okay.
তাহলে 29 তারিখ করে দাও।
And on that particular date, we'll, my lord, with the written notes of argument.
Whatever you try to complete on that date.
And the index also
Case diary also.
Yes, I have.
No, case diary means not which are the statements are you flag those. You understand?
Of the three cases.
Of the 3 cases.
They have supplied, my lord, some document to us, subject to, my lord, after pursuant to the direction of this honorable court. Pursuant to the direction. All the documents are not supplied. We have, my lord, taken all those documents and, my lord, paginated. Lordship kindly allow us with our written notes of argument, we intend to file all those documents once again. Otherwise, my lord, if you indicate, kindly see this particular ocular evidence in page number so and so, with their page number will not be, my lord, tallied. That being the situation. That is why, my lord, that liberty may kindly be given.
That you do, whatever you want, you do. You file the written notes.
Suffice it.
না আমাদেরকে যা দিয়েছো সেগুলোর মধ্যে থেকে
29th of August.
207.
One thing is that Mr. Bandyopadhyay did not argue on the 321 withdrawal of the cases.
Lordship.
He argued regarding everything, not on the part of that there were 2 other cases which were state indicated that part of the argument was
Only one information is available with me, my lord. I intend to communicate that information. That is, my lord, after the, my lord, the change of guard, my lord.
regime.
My lord, what happened? Change of guard, my lord. Change of wind when established, my lord. At that point of time, my lord, the false cases, my lord, lodged in different places, including Nondigram, Shingur, Jangipada, and still, my lord, some 100 people in Jangipada language, my lord, that their criminal cases are going on. My lord, what happened? Some cases they have, my lord, formed a committee, and that particular committee led by Justice Malay Sengupta, and they have recommended on the basis of recommendation some criminal cases which are counter case in different area.
that I'm not bothered.
Lordship.
I am bothered with any case if you got you have got to make submission
Lordship.
since they are relying upon 3 case diaries.
True.
And it is on record that 320 by way of 321 applications were filed by the public prosecutor that was withdrawn.
Withdrawn, my lord. Compound.
Whether those cases are different from this particular case or these are one on the same case or arising out of the same transaction.
It is counter. But a case, my lord, initiated.
Whatever it is.
Taking advantage of his position, my lord.
Whatever it is, sir, because this was until and unless Mr. Shamunto pointed out and later on he in person pointed out, this was not brought to my notice. The only issue was this particular case which FIR was registered and this person withdrew that. That was sufficient enough to shake the conscience of the court basically. But so far as the other fact is concerned, the government themselves are not interested to pursue. That has got another effects. So you also highlight that part when you were making your written notes of arguments, sir. হ্যাঁ হিয়ারিং হবে তো মিটিং চলো কোথায় গেল আনন্দি পালিয়ে গেছে নাকি
My lord, so far that question and that reply is concerned, it is up to the state authority to satisfy this honorable court. We are the, well, the victim family. We are before this honorable court. Lordship directed Mr. Banerjee to appear on behalf of the victim family. That being the situation, it is up to the state authority.
No, it is not up to the state authority. Today we are in a position, sir.
Lord.
Why I am inviting you?
Lordship.
321, when it is done as a matter of public policy. 321 cannot be an arbitrary decision of the state. Let me put it like that. If you have seen the 321 decisions which were challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court, in each of the decisions, what has been highlighted that the state cannot, as a matter of whim, withdraw any criminal case. Number one. Now, in these cases, 321 orders have been passed already.
23 and 24, my lord, the recommendation possibly was there by that particular committee.
Whatever it is, you just go into that.
At the same time, my lord, direct the state authority to bring all those papers, that committee and the recommendation and all these things. And that was never challenged, assume finality.
You argue on law itself.
Lords.
Huh?
Lords.
I will that part you have got to cover because if the transaction is same, then it gives a different turn.
Lordship has enough power to revive all these cases, my lord. We have no objection, my lord. Enough power, my lord.
No,
The
enough.
High Court's, my lord,
High Court's power,
226.
that also would be an arbitrary act after 10 years.
So, my lord, can, my lord. Court can. For the purpose of to facilitate, my lord, to render justice, I think, my lord, subject to correction, my lord, this court can, my lord.
Can and exercising the powers are two different. Vesting of the powers and exercising the powers, that must be on cogent grounds.
My lord,
You satisfy that
must be sparingly, must be sparing. In exceptional case, my lord.
You satisfy that. I am sitting here for being satisfied only.
Lords. Be clear.